Losing weight is very difficult job and everybody is struggling to lose their weight. This video will help you to reduce weight in a healthy way. In this video, I am going to show you how to prepare a magical weight loss drink. This drink is not only helping to lose weight but also it's providing numerous health benefits. So watch this video till the end. Hello friends, welcome to Nutralife. I am Dr. Seema. I make videos related to food and nutrition. Today I am going to show how to prepare barley water. Barley is a cereal grain gaining popularity in these days because of its numerous health benefits. Barley is rich in vitamins, minerals, dietary fibers, antioxidants, and these all compounds are very helpful to reduce the risk of diabetes, heart disease, urinary tract infections. So, let's get started with the health benefits of barley water. Barley water is containing high amount of dietary fiber which makes you feel full for longer time, and so that you eat less food. It improves digestion process and it stimulates the metabolism of fat. Drink 3 cups of barley water per day. Barley water is rich in insoluble fiber and beta-glucan which prevents the absorption of low-density lipoproteins, thus reduces the risk of heart disease. Barley is a good natural diuretic. It increases the urination and helps to flush out toxins and disease-causing bacteria out of body. Barley also helps in some other issues like cystitis, kidney stones, high creatinine levels. To fight the urinary tract infection, drink several cups of barley water daily until you get rid of your problem. Barley water helps to lower high blood pressure by reducing the growth of atherosclerosis. Due to its anti-inflammatory and lipid-altering effects, it's beneficial in cardiovascular diseases. Barley is alkaline in nature and rich in soluble and insoluble dietary fiber. It helps to cure digestive problems including constipation, diarrhea, hemorrhoids, and gastritis. It also prevents gallstones. Barley water is antioxidant rich so that it fights against free radicals and reduces the signs of aging and maintain healthy and younger looking skin. You can apply barley water on your face for 10 minutes, then rinse it with the cold water. You can do this few times a week for clear skin. Barley water is having low glycemic index, so it helps to stabilize blood glucose levels. The beta-glucan and soluble fibers slows down the absorption of glucose after meal and reduces the glucose spike. Natural cooling and soothing properties of barley water reduces the internal body heat and helps to stay hydrated during hot summer. As barley is rich in vitamins and minerals, it helps to strengthen the immune system. It fights off various common colds and flus. It also helps to prevent anemia and fatigue. Barley helps to remove toxins from the body and get rid of the excess water retention in the body, which reduces the edema on foot and ankle swelling during pregnancy. It also helps to produce more breast milk. Ingredients required to prepare barley water recipe are half cup soaked barley, salt to taste, and 1 teaspoon of lemon juice. Heat the cooking pan and add 3 cups of drinking water to the pan. Then add half cup soaked barley. Let the barley cook well. Cook it 10 to 15 minutes on medium heat. Now the barley is cooked. We can drain the barley water. You can also eat the cooked barley with the barley water. Add some salt to taste. Squeeze lemon juice. Now the barley water is ready to serve. Nutritive value of barley water. 1 glass of barley water is providing 3 grams of protein, 0.2 gram of fat, 9.6 gram of carbohydrate, 1.71 grams of fibers, 3.1 milligram of folate, 1.2 milligram of sodium, 2.8 milligram of calcium, 0.1 milligram of iron, and 4.9 milligram of magnesium. This recipe makes 2 servings. Time required to prepare this recipe is 20 minutes. 1 glass of barley water is providing 34 kilocalories. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the video, hit the like button, leave your comment, don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon to get latest updates from Nutralife. See you in the next video. Bye.